Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to treat peri-orbital part, which means part around the eyes, with a plasma-fibroblast skin tightening. The first rule is that I will never go closer to one finger next to the nose, right? So the distance between the nose line and the first vertical line of fibroblast skin tightening is usually at least 5 to 10 millimeters away. Here inside there is not even much of a sagginess usually, right? So there's no need there's no need to do zaps here. And anyway, guys, here is very painful area. This is where your teardrops are coming from, and it's just too painful, and it's not needed to be treated at all. So next rule is that you will keep the distance approximately 3 to 5 millimeters from the lash line upwards for the upper eyelids and downwards for the lower eyelids. We will not treat this area, right? Because it's too painful, there's no sagginess. Everything else will be treated. When you're gonna see demonstrations, you will see that I usually do the outline. This is just because I want to, you know, a little bit show you more what kind of pattern I'm going to do. Most you can see that upper eyelid treatment is combined with two parts. One would be upper eyelids, and then usually we would add something extra on top of it, whether this is triangle. This is actually the part that is eyebrow lift. Of course, you can add this one, right? This is the second part, and this is the first part. This is essential for upper eyelids, right? And this is just to add on. We usually include it. Sometimes you will see that people do, you know, some other patterns here. It's up to each individual. Keep in mind also, with upper eyelids, we will never treat the eyebrows. Of course, we can come as close as possible to the eyebrow line, but not over the eyebrows. You would burn it out, right? And now I'm gonna show you the lower eyelids, okay? With the lower eyelids, guys, it's pretty much similar. Again, one finger, 5 to 10 millimeters away from the nose, or one small finger approximately. Again, this is the lash line, right? The first 3 millimeters up to 5 millimeters is so-called red zone. So what is actually treatable area with the lower eyelids is going to be this one, right? And here we come to the point that usually with the upper eyelids or lower, especially with the upper eyelids here, you will also include the crow's feet here, right? Usually. Of course, you can have on your price list, you can have those prices separately, but usually when you're here, it's not that much to cover also crow's feet area, but it's up to you. Same way with the lower eyelids. With the upper eyelids and the lower eyelids, guys, you can definitely stretch the skin a little bit, so the skin will go flat, right? The same thing when you're doing lower eyelids. Don't consider this small, you see those small lines, guys? You see those small lines? Okay, these are crow's feet already. But those small lines here, right? I can see them hundreds. Don't consider them as wrinkles and use the wrinkle technique all around. Yes, if you will see the major line, major wrinkle, then yes. But usually at the lower eyelids and our upper eyelids, definitely you won't see the wrinkles here. Here is sagginess. This is what we are looking for. We are looking for the excess skin, which is called sagginess, right? In this case, guys, those are not wrinkles, those are not considered as wrinkles, those are small fine lines, and you have to simply just fulfill the whole area with a bunch of dots using 5-point technique, right? Please, just follow those steps, everything will be fine. Thank you for being with me in this video, and see you in the next one.